tip by tip. Most common irregular verbs: infinitive, simple past, past participle, be, was, were, been, become, became, become, begin, began, begun, bring, brought, brought, buy, bought, bought, come, came, come, choose, chose, chosen, do, does, did, done, drink, drank, drunk, drive, drove, driven, eat, eaten, fall, fell, fallen, feel, felt, felt, found, 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 fly, flew, flown, forget, forgot, forgotten, get, got, gotten, give, gave, given, go, goes, went, gone, grow, grew, grown, have, had, hear, heard, heard, keep, kept, kept, know, knew, known, leave, left, left, lend, lent, lent, let, lose, lost, lost, make, made, made, mean, meant, meant, meet, met, met, stand, stood, stood, pay, paid, paid, put, put, read, 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 ring, rang, rung, run, ran, run, say, said, said, see, saw, seen, sell, sold, sold, send, sent, sent, shine, shone, shown, sing, sang, sung, sit, sat, sat, sleep, slept, slept, speak, spoke, spoken, swim, swam, swum, take, took, taken, teach, taught, taught, tell, told, told, think, thought, thought, understand, understood, understood, wear, were, worm, write, wrote, written,